Nana, oh, beam na. Yay! Yay! Dito na padong ba? Dito na gid na siya padolong. Kay na nagibim. Kanina gid siya mo nagid na iyahang panahon. Yan nagid lang panahon.
Bantay diha magsimpak ko.
Uy, bako. Ugabantay po ko ikaw bitaw. Na maningay butang sa among beam. 16 mm. Andi na kanailang gina-casting is 10 mm. Kanang giana siya oh. Muni ang among kahabagon from floor to third floor. So anak na siya guys. So muna akong update apps muna daw. Oh, shout out daw siya ni Adonis. Kaya wala si Adonis. Pwede libakon. Birthday ni Adonis. Kaya wadiha. So, mani siya. That was the beam. And that 10 mm is that was the bar. The bar whole round bar. That was the 10 mm. The straight one is a 16 mm. So, we are at the third floor for the third floor. So guys, this is my update for our house. I will show you from here to down there. That was it. Mani ang damba oh, manilang gagamiton. Damba. Okay, I'm going down using my stairs. Our stairs is more than a meter. So it's wide. So it's so comfortable. Our stairs is so wide. This is the init mga good na. Dito sa imong silingan. Anong new lip? New lip ba na siya nga bakery? Short video only for today. So this is our Nyonya. Oh. Kuan na lang, i-plaster na lang gid siya ba? Kuan di ba ni? Nito para ka mo kabantayin ko nga. Oh, mas habog pang ato ang. Oh, that was the gap from our neighbor. Oh, wow. I'm here outside. So now we are privatized now because they want us to close. So we close here. So this is our private house. And have a beam already. You can see that beam there. Muni among entrance oh. Welcome to my entrance. So they are now on the beam. Oh, mani sila ang mga Armstrong. Mga Armstrong ni sila oh. Why ga sulod niyo YouTube no? Bigya po no kitas yung naong YouTube raman ni. Naka-subscribe ka? Ah, sure na. Update for today, September 21. Oh. Nagkuan na sila sa beaming. Yesterday, only this one. Now, they have that. So, nag-casting na sila, and then next week they are other side 1, 2, 3. Guys, check kung nataod na ba. Good job. Good. Hindi ko kung ilabang itaod na dyan, kung ipabutangan ng atok sa silingan, kay kung mag butang uguan dili sila maigo si the protection, pero tanawagan niyo pinangla mapintalan di gyapon na siya. Still dirty, but you need to repent that. So ano na siya for 3rd floor beaming. They're using 16 mm, and then the casting, the circle in the middle, that was 10 mm. So this house most likely we're using 16 and 10, so we're using 12 for the floor. Here underneath here is there's a 12. Hello. Kung igsoon man niabot. Dito lang ka nga side part nung parang anak dia. So manilang workshop erla. Workshop yeah. Sorry guys. Because they take out my braces, and then now I have a retainer, and then this is my first day of my retainer, and then look like I talk like nga whatever. We got 1, 2, 3. So next week they're making cross beaming. They're doing like this from there to here. So that was their doing. Sulod sa ilalom na hagdanan. So kani siya guys na area. This area here is a beacon. So the wall is on this area only. Pero siya manilang gitaod sa akong ngipon. Oh, kani sila first time na sila makatungtong sa akong hagdanan. Taas. Atong niliki nga kon. Wala kon siya digyas lagi kay kanang napandol ba dili digyas na pandol, pagkapandol hagba. Saka danag sungkod oh. Ay siya gadala gasungkod. Wow. Careful. Eto nawala ka niyang samad oh. Still have.
Okay bro, play. A whole bunch of fucking
example, there's a lot of tapos sagdi okay ra na siya. Okay ra na eh. Makakuan lagi ayaw na dili na mo sugot. Sagdi lang na kuan lagi na. Tigulang na. Kaya niya disable siya. Di na mo sugot kuanan kay kanang sipitan.